Can you say monkey? That's right. Can you say bear? Bear? That's right. Can you say dog? That's right. Can you say cat? Meow! That's right. Can you say bird? No, you can't say bird. Joel, where are your eyes? That's right. That's your nose? Where's your ears? That's right. Where's your head? That's right. Where's your tongue? Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button, Joel? Where's your belly button? You don't want to show me your belly button? Where's your hands? That's right. Oh, there's your belly button. Where is it? Is it in here? There it is. Where's your foot? That's your tongue. There's your foot. You're so smart. Can you blow a kiss? No, you want to show your belly button? Oh yeah, look at that belly.